Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are returning viewers. So I know I didn't have a cute little intro, you feel me, showing you guys the end result and stuff, but my dumb self, I forgot to come back to the camera. So my apologies for that. But as you can see by the thumbnail though, as you've seen though, it's a really cute style and the lace was laid. Jumping straight into the video though, as you can see, I love saying as you can see because as you guys can clearly see, like literally, but I'm using my Ebon Wonder Lace Spray in the version Extra Mega Hold, and I'm just adhering my cap to my skin. Then I'm going to blow dry that on a cool setting, but a high setting as well with my blow dryer until it is completely dry. We do not want any lifting. And then once that's done, I'm going to take my scissors and cut off all of the excess cap that we do not need. Now that our edges are protected and the cap is completely on, I'm taking my makeup brush and my RD15 Cream Foundation by Ruby Kisses. I will show you guys here in a second. I just forgot. Here it is. Boom. So that's what I'm using, and I just cover that all over my cap. I use it many times. Like I'll go over it like a lot because I want it to be very pigmented, super pigmented. So here is the wig. I bleached the knots. I plucked the knots as well. That is the inside construction of it, as you can see. And before we apply this wig, I'm going to take 70% acetyl alcohol in this cotton swab, and I'm going to clean off my skin. And now the wig is on my head. I'm getting ready to apply it. Not quite yet, but while it is on my head, I'm measuring it out where it's going to lay. I'm cutting off the ear tabs. Okay, I like to cut off the ear tabs before I apply the wig. One, because it's more comfortable, and two, it just gives me a better, idea of where I'm going to apply the wig when I do apply it. But also before I apply the wig, I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just hot combing through the hairline so it can look more sleek and more put together. And then I'm going to clean my skin one more time. Now, the reason why I need to clean your skin is because that wig is not going to stick. It's not going to stick if you do not have clean skin. Like, not even like saying it's dirty, but like oils and the makeup that we use on our cap and stuff, yeah, it's going to make the wig not stick. So make sure you do that. Make sure you do it thoroughly as well. But I'm taking my popsicle stick and my Better Than Melt lace glue in the version white, and I am just applying the glue, a thin layer, because that's the instructions. So you want to follow the instructions. I smooth it out and I let it get tacky. I'm moving a lot in this video. Like I had to just readjust myself right there, and then the light was like moving all kind of crazy throughout this video, so I'm sorry if that throws you guys off a little bit. But yeah, I did 4 layers of this. I didn't blow dry it every time I applied a new layer because it dries pretty quick, but I blow dry it when I want it to get like super tacky, like, you know what I mean? Like super tacky and super dry and good. You feel me? So yeah, and that was the last layer. And I'm going to be applying this wig now directly where that glue was. Yeah, I don't even know what possessed me to get long nails for my birthday, but it's just something you got to do. You feel me? And doing my hair was such a struggle. And you guys will see that more later. Like, oh my God, I was struggling so hard. But anyways, as you can see, I'm using my fingers in my hands to press and pull down the wig where it needs to be, exactly where that glue is. These nails, they was making things real difficult. I had to go put my elastic band on off camera in my bathroom because like when I was trying, my elastic band kept slapping me in the forehead. That shit hurt. And I said, yeah, no, we gotta go. I gotta do this in private. But that part is really self-explanatory. But while the lace was melting with the band, I let it sit for like 12 minutes. I just hot combed it a little bit. But now that it is dry, I'm taking my razor and I'm just simply cutting off the lace, real straight to the point. You want to cut it exactly where that glue ends. You feel me? You don't want to leave no extra lace unless it looks like you need to, but yeah, I'm being real precise with this. You feel me? Try not to go in a super straight line either. So now we are pulling out the baby hairs. I like to pull out my baby hairs with my edge brush with the comb side, just because it just gets them a lot cleaner. I don't know, not the baby hairs cleaner, but it grabs them more cleaner. I don't know how to really explain that, but it's a feeling, I promise you. So I like to use the comb side of my edge brush, and I'm just pulling out the sideburns. Boom. And I'm pulling out my hairs on the other side as well, the same amount, trying to be really symmetrical with it, you know, get it nice and lined up with the other ones. Now that that is all set, I'm taking my hot comb and I'm going to be pressing through these hairs. I do this with straight hair, curly hair, body wave hair, whatever texture. It just makes them look more sleek. You feel me? It's the proof is in the pudding. You feel me? Like, shit kind of be hard to explain because the proof being the pudding. Like, you just gotta listen to what I'm saying. But yeah, so once that's all sleek, I'm taking my Icy Pantasia spritz, hair spritz. This is really good, y'all. I really like this product. I really do, for my lace. You know, it just gets things melted more once I put on my elastic band again. Like, I don't know, it just melts everything. It makes everything look all sleek. So boom, elastic band is on. Now for this hair, I'm taking my Icy Pantasia heat protecting serum and I'm putting that through the hair. I'm going to go in with my hot comb and press it through again. It's all sleek. I'm trying to figure out how this ponytail is going to look. I know where I want it to be because I actually done this style literally the week before, but I didn't show you guys that video. You know why? Because I overplucked the wig. It did not look great at all. So yeah, we scratched that. They sent me a new wig, but I'm taking my Tropical Root setting foam and this is what I'm going to be using to mold my ponytail. Nothing, you know, extra dramatic, but I used a lot of this to get it nice and sleek and it definitely did help. Now, when I did it last week, I didn't have these long nails on. So, boom, I had to go do this in my bathroom, y'all. I'm sorry. But, you know, a ponytail is self-explanatory for real. You know, you just put that shit in a ponytail. And, you know, you just grabbing that shit real tight. But, yeah, y'all, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys that. But, you know, like I said, self-explanatory. I showed you guys the steps on how to get it sleek. You feel me? With the heat serum as well as the foam. So, yeah. But as you can see, we've moved on to the baby hairs. As you can see, I'm just cutting them, you know, in a nice, good. I like the length that I cut my baby hairs now. You feel me? Like, they're short. They're not short, but they're shorter than how short I usually go. And they're just, I don't know. I like the way that I do them now. I like it a lot more. But I'm curling it with my 1/2 inch pencil flat iron by Kiss. And I go over it a couple of times to get it really curly. But I'm taking my Got To Be glue gel in black and my comb side of my edge brush. And I'm just going to style my baby hairs. When I'm doing my baby hairs, I really focus on trying to get them uniform. You feel me? Like lined up and in like a motion of they're all going on the same frequency. You know what I mean? Like I get them real straight. Like I don't know how to explain it, but that's what I be thinking about. Like that's what I like to use that's why I like to use the comb side of the baby hair. I mean of the brush for the baby hairs, because it just gets everything uniform. You know, I go over it a couple of times and then I just take my finger and I swoop it and grab it all together like I'm doing here. So yeah, I think that's what you guys should focus on. But yeah, this ponytail didn't come out the cutest because one, it was a little too low. Even though I did want it to be a mid ponytail, it was still kind of too low. That's because my nails were long and I couldn't really figure it out. But yeah, so I suggest making it a little higher. But I applied my scarf because I wanted this to be super flat. So I let that sit while I did my makeup for like 2 hours. I didn't want to alter the texture of this hair too much because I wanted this look to have like a fluffy, full type vibe to it, not damp hair. So I took the spray bottle of water and just sprayed it a tad bit, combed that through, just combed it with water, and then took some detangling spray by Cream of Nature. And yeah, I didn't really comb through the whole hair either because I washed and conditioned this hair, so it was just kind of set from that. So yeah, I'm going to apply that spray now. Coconut milk or whatever. It smells really good, and this is the only product that I use, and that's what helped the hair look super fluffy and natural. But last touch, I'm taking that heat serum just to add some shine to the hair. Sadly, I forgot to do the outro as well. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for all the love that you show, and make sure to check the description box for all the information on this hair, as well to follow me on all my social medias. Bye.